Shimmer and Shine, but not just any Shimmer and Shine. We're doing teenager Shimmer and Shine. And my cousin Kinley's here.
Hi guys.
So let's get straight on to the video. Woo, 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 woo. So we're gonna be doing ombre. So Kinley's is already pink, so she's just gonna do purple. I mean, it's already purple, so she's gonna do blue. We're doing ombre genie hair today. Kinley's is gonna go from blue to purple. Mine's gonna go from pink to purple. Okay, you can get these from Party Store or online.
Now we're gonna add some purple to her ends. Here's my hair color.
So yeah, let's do Kinley's. So for hers, we're just doing this blue.
Shimmer and shine,
Shimmer and shine. Oh, genie's divine. Shimmer and shine, shimmer and shine. Look at dimple, no dimple. Okay guys, so now we finished that. So now we're gonna do these like gel stuff. It's for your hair, so it looks like this. You could also add hairspray and glitter, but we have this, so we wanted to add it. This is a fun new look of Shimmer and Shine.
now we're gonna spray some glitter spray.
Kinley first.
We're gonna do our arms and our chest and next.
I'm just adding body glitter. Obviously, I'm Shimmer and I'm wearing the Day Daily shirt and you should go get one. I'll link it right there if you want one.
Guys, if you like Shimmer and Shine, then give this video a thumbs up. Now we're gonna do foundation.
We're just putting on the foundation all over our face because we're teenagers. Well, in this video.
Yeah. We painted our nails. I painted mine blue and green.
Mine are pink and purple.
I'm almost done. I'm gonna start my concealer.
That's not concealer.
What the heck is concealer? Makeup's done. Just kidding. Shimmer and Shine, they're like really creative with their best friend named. Now I'm done with my makeup.
Oh yeah, and I was just putting the concealer on.
Powder?
Over this powder?
No.
Have you forgotten makeup?
Now I'm gonna do my eyebrow.
Blue and purple. I'm just using the lip liner for mine.
I did it!
Wait. I did it. Now I'm gonna add glitter. I'm using cosmetic glitter. I'm using the James Charles palette. So I'm gonna be using like all these ones in these corner, like the pinks and purples.
I'm gonna be using like these ones.
So I'm gonna mix a light pink and kind of a dark pink. And I'm just putting that on my lid.
Now I'm gonna use some purple.
I'm just using this purple in my crease. I feel like my eyes are the Cheshire Cat because it has these kind of colors. Now I'm gonna be doing the blush. And I'm gonna use probably like a mix of these two. The reason why I love Kinley so much is because my favorite color is blue. So I personally love Kinley's. My mom's gonna help us with the wing after. We're using the flower blush. Bronzer, butter bronzer, smells so awesome. We're using these for our bronzer.
all around our face.
We're gonna magically do our wing. Eyeliner's done.
Now we're gonna do mascara. Now we're gonna shimmer and shine it up. We're using this one. We're putting some on the corner of our eyes so it gives a little shine in our eyes too.
Finished with that. Now we're gonna do our crown. So I'm gonna start with the raindrop. Raindrop, raindrop, come down, raindrop. If you don't know what we're doing, Kinley did that in our last video. If you want to see our old Shimmer and Shine video, I'll link it right up there.
Everywhere around it. So I'm just gonna go up to here and up to there.
Inside my dots.
Now I'm going to fill it in with some gold.
Glitter side. Now I'm just filling these in.
Bigger side. Shimmer and Shine in the cartoon, they have big eyes. Jewels too. You just use your finger and dab on the glitter.
I'm gonna do my lips, and this is in the color Spellbound.
I'm gonna be using this one from NYX. Candy Snake Gloss.
Here's our final look, guys. We're Shimmer and Shine.
Genie's Divine. We're a little older, so Shimmer and Shine are a little bit older too.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you in my next video. Bye!